Hey guys, it's me, Raging Ninja from the White00r forums with a tutorial on how to install FontSwap on your iOS 3.0 device. Now first things first, you ought to know that version 2.0.6, which is the current version in the Big Boss repository, is not compatible with iOS 3.0. So you will have to downgrade to version 2.0.5 in order to get it working. I will also be showing you how to avoid the Infinite Respring loop, a loophole I found. No pun intended. Now first, what you're gonna want to do is go to the Big Boss repository and download and install FontSwap if you don't have it already. It will also install FontSwap Starter, which is a dependency. So no need to mess with anything, just download FontSwap from the Big Boss repo. Now, the second thing you're going to want to do is go to this list here, which is our recommended tweaks list. And you're going to want to follow this FontSwap 2.0.5 link to MediaFire, where you'll have a link to download it. I already have it downloaded, so I don't need to. It's right here. So then the second thing, or the next thing you want to do, is SSH into your iDevice. And as always, with any dev file you want to install, you need to put it in the directory var mobile. So I'm going to go to var mobile, and here you can see I already have the FontSwap dev file right here. So put it in there, no need for any special permissions or anything. Let me exit out of Cydia here. Hold on. I need to end the backgrounding of Cydia so I can get a little more RAM. I'm going to open mobile terminal, which you need to have if you don't already. And the first thing you do is log in as root. So you do that by typing SU. Return Alpine is your default password if you have not changed it. And then type dpkg space dash I space, and then put in whatever name, whatever dev file you're doing. So here you can see I'm installing the fontswap.deb. So I'm going to do capital FONT capital SWAP.deb. And note that it's case sensitive, and you have to put in any spaces, periods, numbers, anything you put in there, you have to type in exactly. So as you can see, I typed in capital FONT capital SWAP.deb. Then you hit return. It'll go through the motions to install FontSwap 2.0.5. Then you can either respring or exit. I usually respring, but if I do, I'll mess this thing up. So then you open up FontSwap, and here I'll show you how to avoid the Infinite Respring loop. So for example, if you were to go into System Fonts and go in and install Casper, usually you would need to hit install now and respring, but if you do, it'll put you on an Infinite Respring loop, which will force you to restore. So instead, the workaround is to just hit add to install queue. Then you go back and go to install queued fonts, and then hit install all queued fonts right there. Hold on just a second, something's messing up. Oh, just a moment, I'm sorry, it's kind of being annoying. There we go. So what you need to do is go install all queued fonts. You'd hit that, and then you'd hit OK, and it would respring. So, but I don't want to do that. And that's how to avoid the Infinite Respring loop. It's just a little workaround I found while testing all this out. So again, going through the steps: download and install FontSwap from the Big Boss repo. Then download and install FontSwap version 2.0.5 from the link given in the description. Place it in var mobile and install it. And then to avoid the respring loop, add all your wanted fonts to the install queue, and then install from the install queue. I hope this helped you guys, and of course, Come support us on Facebook and Twitter, links in the description. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And of course, if you have any questions, go ahead and post it on our White Door forums, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you, and goodbye.